How to enhance your video on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. This is the home page. Now click on your project right here or choose from your drafts. I already have those drafts right here. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. Now all what you have to do is click on your video, and after you click on it, now go down here and click on enhance right here. Now as you can see, we'll be able to manage your face and your body. As you can see, you have many options. You have also the reshape right here and many other things. It's so easy and fast to edit. And yeah, after you finish editing your eyes, for example, right here, you can add big eyes. Click save from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.